Here's how to make a Windows bootable USB with no extra software. First, open the Start menu, type CMD, and run it as administrator. Now in the command window, type the following commands. Diskpart. Then type list disk. Check your USB disk number. In my case, it's disk 2. Then type select disk 2. Then type clean. Then type create partition primary. Then type select partition 1. Then type format fs equals ntfs. Quick. Then type assign letter equals u. Then type exit. Now, go to the folder where you downloaded your Windows ISO file. Right-click the ISO and choose Mount. It will open like a new DVD drive. Open the mounted drive, press Ctrl A to select all files, right-click, and copy. Now, open your USB drive and paste everything there. That's it. Your USB is now bootable. Plug it into your PC and install Windows. I have added all commands in the description. If this helped, subscribe Mira's Tech for more quick tech fixes.